Welcome to class. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at a crucial concept in mathematics, and that is the order of operations. Again, the order of operations. In this concept, we're going to be learning how to apply the principle of Bodmas. Bodmas, B-O-D-M-A-S. BODMAS is an acronym. Bodmas is an acronym that shows or tells us the order to perform operations in an expression. Again, Bodmas is an acronym that shows or tells us the order to perform operations. Most times you must have seen a particular question having multiple signs, addition, subtraction, division, all in one question, and you do not know which one to start with. Probably you are confused. Do not worry, Bodmas will guide you. Bodmas will guide you. Like I said, it's an acronym, and I'm going to be taking my time to put it through, explain to you the letters of this acronym. The first one is the bracket. B stands for bracket. B stands for bracket. Your bracket can be in any format, it can be like this or the braces. Okay, so take note and watch out for this in your questions. We have the next one, O. O. Your O is orders. It can stand for what? Orders. Your order simply means your exponent or your powers. Anything that has to do with square, square root, cube, cube root. Anytime you see a number having a power, probably power of 2, maybe 2 is power of 2, 3 is power of 2, 3 is power of 3, anything, or square roots or cube roots, anything you see in this pattern, that is what? Orders. Okay, orders. Now we have D, which stands for what? Division. So this is the division symbol. I'm sure you're familiar with that, right? Good. We have the next one, M. M stands for multiplication, and this is the symbol. We have next one, A, addition, which is the symbol here. And lastly, I have S, which is what? Subtraction. Not all, you might not see all of this in a particular question. Okay, you might not see all these symbols in a particular question, but it will surely guide us to know which one to start with and to know which one to solve next. Okay, we're going to be using this principle to solve this question. So I have my question here, 2 multiplied by 4 minus into brackets 2 plus 3 all squared divided by 5 plus 3. That is 2 times 4 minus 2 plus 3 into brackets raised to the power of 2 divided by 5 plus 3. Confused? Don't worry. We're going to apply Bodmas now, and we'll be able to solve this question with this acronym. Are you ready? Alright, so follow me. Now, which one are we going to start with? Obviously, we're going to be starting with bracket, because you can see bracket here, right? Good. So I will always advise my students to underline the one they have to solve at that particular moment. Ignore this power of 2 for now. So I will underline this one, because this is the one I'm going to be solving. That is bracket. I can see bracket here first. So the ones I have not underlined, okay, I'm still going to write them out. No problem. Don't worry about writing out everything. It's better you take your time, bring out your steps, and get the correct answer than just trying to use a very fast method and you get the wrong answer. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'll bring down 2 times 4 because I'm not solving that yet. So minus 2 plus 3 is what? 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. That is what? 5. I'll bring out 5. I still have this square here. Okay, I still have this square, so I can still put the bracket because I'm not done yet. So 5 squared, okay, divided by 5 plus 3. Now, do not forget that after bracket we have what? Orders. Orders, and the order stands for any number that has power of 2, power any power of a square root. So for this our question, we have the power of 2. So I'm solving this one next, and that is why I'm still putting the bracket. Okay, so I'll still bring down the ones I've not solved. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 5 squared means 5 times 5. 5 squared means 5 times 5. Please, it is not 5 times 2. It's a common mistake students make. Okay, it is not 5 times 2. It is 5 in 2 places. 5 in 2 places. So that is 5 times 5 is what? 25. Are we together? I'm sure you're following and you're enjoying it, right? Fantastic. Alright, so divided by 5 plus 3. As soon as you are done solving a particular step, that particular sign or symbol is gone. You will no longer be seeing bracket in my question again. You will no longer be seeing that because I've already simplified what I have in the bracket. So the bracket means that I have to simplify whatever expression I have inside that bracket. I have to simplify whatever expression I have what inside the bracket. Alright, so let's go ahead. We have multiplication, subtraction, division, and addition. So which one do you think will come next? You can guess, right? Good. So after that we have division. In our order we have what? In our order of operations we have what? Division. So I'm going to be dividing 25 by 5. 25 by 5. So let's go. I will still write down this because I'm not solving them yet. So 25 divided by 5 is what? 5. Okay? 25 divided by 5 is what? 5. So I have this and I'll write out this. Good. So division is gone. It's gone. So we're no longer using it in this question. It's gone. So I'm left with just 3 signs. 3 more signs. I'm left with what? 3 more signs. And they are multiplication, subtraction, and what? Addition. So I'm going to be going on to the next one, which is multiplication. Are we following? I'm sure you're following, right? Good. All right, so multiplication, and I'll be underline the numbers that have the multiplication sign in between them, and they are 2 and 4. So I'll be solving 2 times 4. 2 times 4, and what's the answer? Good. 2 times 4 is what? 8. This is my 8, right? Good. So I'm going to write out the remaining ones. Minus 5 plus 3. Now, please, I want you to pay attention at this point. Yes, at this point we are left with minus and plus. That is subtraction and addition. Now, a lot of students will tell you, come on, if I solve it directly, I will still get the same answer. Yes, you might get the same answer, but do the right thing. What did I say? Do the right thing. Okay? You might subtract, then add, and you still get the same answer. But the order tells us that addition must always come first. So do not try subtracting and then adding. You might get the same answer, but do the right thing. So now this is a positive number. 8 is a positive number, right? 8 is a positive what? Number. So I will group all the positive numbers together, okay, and the negative numbers separately. Okay, so let's see. 8. If 8 is a positive number, then I'm going to be joining it to what? 3. That is 8 plus 3. Then lastly, what I have is minus 5. Always do this. It will really help you and to save you a lot. To save you from making a lot of mistakes. At this point, it should not be nice that having come this far from the beginning here and getting to almost the last stage of your calculation and you're making just one little mistake which will alter everything you've done. Come on, I'm sure you know how to do that. I'm sure you don't want to see that. So please, at this point, you rearrange, add up your numbers, okay? Add up the ones that are positive, bring them together, and you'll bring your negative also together on one side. Good. With that, you'll be able to solve your question correctly. Alright, we're almost done. So you can guess what our answer is, right? Okay, let's just go ahead and do it together. Now, I'm going to solve this one next. 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, what? 11. So that is 11. Then minus 5. Then obviously 11 minus 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Then minus 5. So this is the last sign. So this one, I do not need to even stress myself on this. This is the last one. And 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is what? 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. And that's our what? Final answer. I'm sure you've learned something to this class, right? Good. So I'm going to give you a take-home question to try out. Apply the principle of Bodmas and solve this question. And your take-home question is 3 multiplied by 5 plus into brackets 1 plus 2. I hope you're writing it down. Okay, good. 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 divided by 3 minus 5. There's the question. 3 multiplied by 5, the plus into bracket 1 plus 2 or power of 2 divided by 3 minus 5. Ensure you solve this question and drop the answer in the comment section. I'll be so glad to see your answer. Make an attempt, okay? And also share this video. Thank you so much for coming to this class and see you in my next class. And until then, bye.